Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get iOS 17 beta profile. Let's start video without wasting time. If the update is not showing on your settings, so how to download? First of all, open your Safari. From here, search for this beta profile. Tap on beta profile. You as can see download beta profile. Then tap on this. From here, what you need to do is scroll down. And from here you as can see no iOS 16.6 beta 2. After 10 p.m. you easily install iOS 17. What you need to do is tap on install profile, then tap on install, tap on allow, then tap on close. Go back to your home screen, then open your setting app, and from here you as can see profile download, then tap on profile download, then tap on install, enter your passcode, then tap on install, then tap on again install, then tap on not now, then tap on done. And after that go back, open your journal, and from here software update. From here you easily install iOS 17 beta profile. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.